how to find draft post on Facebook. So if you want to find draft post on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you're on your Facebook, you need to go with what's on your mind. Like for example, I'll just simply go with a post and just go back and tap on save as a draft. Now it has been saved as draft, right? Now if you want to find these draft posts, then what you need to do is just wait for a few seconds and then you will get a notification from Facebook that you have an unfinished draft. Or you can go with search. Or if you didn't get the notification, then you need to go with Facebook notifications, which will be on the bottom. And here you will have a notification which says you have saved a draft. You need to tap on it and it will take you to your draft section. Or if you have a real draft saved, you need to go with the plus button right here and then tap on real, and here you will find the draft option. You need to just simply tap on draft and you will have all of your drafts right here. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.